Hello children, this is your Jasveer Kaur ma'am going to teach you social science, history chapter number 2, that is Russian Revolution. As in my previous lecture I have told you regarding this revolution, major theme of the revolution, why this revolution was raised due to different social, economic and political causes, right? And in my previous video I was telling you somewhat important terms here, important terms that are to be used throughout the chapter, right? Throughout the chapters that I am going to dictate you somewhat here. So you have to note down first all these words. First is Soviet, Bolshevik, Communist Party, Communism, Provisional Government, Nomadism, Tsar, TSAR, Emperor of Russia जिसे बोलते हैं Tsar, TSAR 9 number, and our next is nomadisms are collectivism, and then cults, kulkhas and aprathesis. So these words today I am going to dictate you. First word is Soviet. It is an elected local district or national council in former Soviet Union. Any elected body at any level, that is Soviet Union. Then second word is Bolsheviks. These are the members of majority faction in Russian Socialist Democratic Party, and this Bolshevik group seized power in just after revolution in 1917. They have just seized power of Russia, political power. They came into power of Russia. Then next is Communist Party, very important. This is a political party that advocating the principles of communism. Especially these were based on the thinking of Karl Marx and Lenin. These were based upon the thinking of Karl Marx and Lenin, and this party based upon communism. Once again, see its detail. What is communism? A theory of system of social organization. It is a system and theory of social organization in which all the property is owned by the community, and each person contributes and receives. According to its abilities and capacities whatsoever he is contributing to the society in the form of national income, in the form of per capita income, so on, so forth, dear students. So in this way, our next word is provisional government. Provisional government, it means to say, it is a provisional government. It means to say this government is also called interim and transitional government. Interim, transitional and provisional government. It is, जिससे हम सिंपली बोलते हैं, it is काम चलाओ, ठीक है। कुछ दिनों के लिए, कुछ टाइम के लिए कोई गवर्नमेंट बनाई जाती है, लाइक student take provisional admission in the schools for some time, right? For some time when government is temporarily elected, and that is we can say it is the time of emergency, maybe in the time of मिड टर्म इलेक्शन, किसी भी वजह से बीच में गवर्नमेंट जो ऑलरेडी गवर्नमेंट है उसको चेंज करके एक और गवर्नमेंट बनती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटराइम गवर्नमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिशनल गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, तो दैट इज अ पॉलिटिकल सेटअप टू मैनेज द पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम ऑफ दैट country for some time, generally in the case of new nation, collapse of nation, transformation from one form of government to another form of government, a government administration. What students? That is called provisional government. इसकी जगह पे आपको interim government हो सकता है, transitional government. Provisional government was set up in Russia after this अक्टूबर रेवोल्यूशन. ओके, हम पढ़ेंगे इसकी 3 स्टेप्स हैं. अक्टूबर रेवोल्यूशन में प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट आएगी. दैट टाइम यू मस्ट नो दिस. नोमैडिज्म, वेरी क्लियर टू यू. इट इज अ सिस्टम, लाइफस्टाइल अडेप्टेड टू इनफर्टाइल रीजन्स वेयर लैंड्स आर नॉट वेरी फर्टाइल, लैंड्स आर लेस फर्टाइल, एंड पीपल यूज टू roam from one place to another place in search of fodder, shelter, water. These people don't have any their permanent house. Wherever they see that all the facilities are available, they stay there for some time, fulfill these basic needs, and proceed further, move to the next place wherever they will find all these facilities. Right? Nomadism is a chapter also in your history. So this time it has been reduced, I think. So for that there are 2 types of nomadism, straightforward and circular motion. I can tell you, nomadism is of 2 types. It's straightforward, like it is from Rajasthan. Right? Rajasthan, यहाँ drought prone area, people start moving to other places. Like जैसलमेर से लोग यहाँ आ जाते हैं. Next they come to our place also, then they move to Punjab, Haryana, this way they keep on moving. They have kept all their things on the bullock cart, and wherever they find suitable place sit there. But same type of movement is there in, and their lifestyle is in mountains. Mountain area में क्या, ये तो होती है straight forward, ठीक है, straight. A one type is circular motion होता है, that is on hilly area, like यहाँ top of Himalaya, these nomadic communities are living. When there is snowfall, they start coming down. Here snowfall, they start coming down, and accordingly whatsoever needs where they are fulfilled within this time gap, within 3 to 4 months. And when all the things are once again okay here, fulfilled there, they will just move to here. Right? Then once again after there is snowfall, fodder is not there available, no rain is there, and due to that fog, snow, no employment is availability of employment is not there. They come here and search some work here and different places, and once again they move to their same place after a fixed time period. That is circular motion, circular movement of these nomadic people. Right? So here nomadism is a lifestyle, and their mobility is the most efficient strategy of exploiting scarce resource. They have their scarce resources. Okay, student. Then our next term is Tsar. T-S-A-R. Tsar means to see, it is the emperor of Russia. This term is used, emperor of Russia, Tsar Nicholas II, like we call it. Then our next 8th item is collectivism. Collectivism is the policy of forcibly consolidation of land and labor and peasant. Forcibly consolidation of individual peasants' households into collective farm is called collectivism. And this system was started in Russia after Russian Revolution 1929 by Stalin. The name of the person is Stalin. 5 marks का क्वेश्चन आता है. Stalin's collectivism. Right? What he did, he introduced 2 terms, kults and kulthas. Kults related to well-to-do families. Well-to-do, we can say peasants having large amount of land mass with them. Okay? More and more fields are with them. And kulthos, like that, these are the name of the peasant. Kulthos is the name of the large huge land. Please don't get confused. I am taking kulkas, name of the peasants, well-to-do peasants, and kulthos, that is the land, piece of land, whatsoever they have, amount of land. And it was carried out by Soviet government in late 1920s and early 1930s. That was Stalin's collectivism. Afterward, this was also failed. So in this way, dear student, I have told you approximately 25 keywords that are basic knowledge for your chapter to proceed further. Once again, these terms would be there when we will discuss our chapter further. Right? After causes, process we have to discuss, results we have to discuss. So this would be there. So that's why I have told you, and you have to note down all these things and deposit your notebooks. Right? And I will act accordingly. Till now I have got very less number of notebooks. I think you are not aware of this thing, that it will include your marks also. So be careful. Don't forget to take this in seriously. And next, that is the age of social change, transformation from capitalist to socialist. Okay, bye students. Take care. Stay home, stay safe.